going on, y'all? Welcome to another edition of Round Cooking. I'm your host, Miles Ingram. I'm back, but I'm back like I never left. We got another edition. We got a Super Bowl edition. Do you like football?
No, I really don't, to be honest with you. I really don't.
That's tough.
I like the food, though.
The food is part of the Super Bowl. It's like have a Super Bowl party every year. You got to have good food.
Good food.
Because food is half of the battle. Because a lot of people just watch the Super Bowl one time. This is the only football game they watch every year. So you got to have the food right.
Exactly.
So we got some nachos for y'all today. First, get a pan. You need your pan. Have it on. Have it hot. You need, I usually use Pam, but I got Crisco today. Crisco is also another good stuff. You don't want it to stick, because you're going to have to put your ground beef on there. So spray it on there. And now you take your ground beef. I use ground beef. You can use chicken for nachos. You can use any type of meat. I prefer ground beef, because you know what? Nachos is basically tacos without the shells.
Exactly.
So you want to get your ground beef going. Let it cook for a little bit. Break it up, because you don't want to have like one solid piece of ground beef. Kyle, who you got in the Super Bowl? It's the Chiefs and the Eagles.
Well, you know, it's Cowboy Nation all day, but if I had to pick, I would say Chiefs, you know.
The Chiefs.
I guess. I don't really know, but I'll go with them.
I gotta go. I gotta go Chiefs too, because Patrick Mahomes, man, he's that dude. He's him. So I gotta really go with the Chiefs. I don't believe in the Eagles just yet. So, but yeah, you want to break your ground beef up, get it all broken up, let it cook for a little bit.
That's good.
And just stir it up.
Make sure it's nice and brown, no pink.
No pink.
No pink meat at all.
We don't want to get sick. What I say? The cross-contamination, CDC. You don't want to get sick. So get it all nice and cooked. And while it's cooking, you already know what we do.
What do we do, Miles?
We season our food.
We season the food.
We season the food.
Season that food, Miles.
So I got 4 seasons. Mm-hmm. Actually, a whole lot, like maybe 5 of them. But we got some black pepper. Mm-hmm. Black pepper. We're gonna add some black pepper to it. Still going by what the ancestors say. You got your Lowry seasoning. Put your Lowry seasoning on there. Lowry's.
Seasoned salt.
Seasoned salt.
Yeah. Nice and flavorful.
Yeah, make sure you get some on there. And while you're seasoning, make sure you still mix it around. Get it all good. It smells good too.
Really good. Really
It smells good.
I'm getting hungry.
And then, next, you want to add garlic powder. Garlic powder. Great value garlic powder.
Balling on a budget.
Balling on a budget. Because we're still college students.
Exactly.
So add your garlic powder. And then onion powder. Get some onion powder in there. Really good. And now gonna mix it up a little bit more. Don't be afraid to touch the handle on the pan. You're not gonna get burnt. Just turn it. Keep on.
Careful.
Yes, please be very careful. I don't want to have nobody getting hurt and on my watch. But yeah, keep on cooking it. And then you cannot have a nachos without taco seasoning. I like taco seasoning. Because like I said, nachos is basically tacos without a shell.
Exactly. This is a holy grail for taco seasoning.
Yeah, so just open it up. Now for this amount, if I can open this. For this amount, where's that knife go?
Here you go. Get you a knife, some scissors.
For this amount, I would not recommend using the whole thing, because you don't want to have too much. Because if you put too much seasoning on your stuff, you'll have it tasting salty. So just a little bit. I say about half of the pack for this amount. Now, if you had a whole thing of ground beef, I would say use the whole thing. But since you only have a little bit, half. And then you just stir it up. And just stir it up. Just stir it up. Make sure it's going.
That smells really good.
It does.
Can't wait to eat.
And then my last ingredient that I use is salsa. Salsa. I put a little salsa on it. This is the paste salsa, medium flavor. Don't like it too hot, too spicy. But you just put it in there. Just, again, you don't have to use this whole thing. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'd say about, again, off an eye. Just that much.
That look good.
And then you just stir it up. Stir it up and make sure, please make sure that you cook your ground beef all the way through.
Thoroughly. Because
you will end up in the hospital. And you want to watch the Super Bowl. You can't be in the hospital watching the Super Bowl.
Exactly.
But yeah, while we waiting on that cook, I have some right here.
Oh my goodness.
Already pre-made.
Okay.
Tostitos chips. Best chips ever to use with nachos. And then I added some lettuce, shredded lettuce.
Iceberg lettuce.
Iceberg lettuce. And then some Mexican cheese, because tacos and nachos is a Mexican dish. So you got to keep it in the culture. But would you like to try some?
I would like to try some.
You want to add some more cheese onto it?
Yeah, add everything.
Add a little bit more cheese to it.
A little more cheese, some salsa.
Dazzle a little cheese on there. You want some more salsa on there?
Just put on the side so I can dip it, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is really good, Miles. I'm hungry.
All right, there you go.
Can you do me a favor? Can you hold the food cam for me?
Yeah, I'll hold the food cam.
Thank you. All right, let's get into it. Which one do I want to try? Let me get the bottom piece. Okay, get a little dab of salsa.
It's good, huh?
Let's go.
And there you have it, folks. And there you have it. Some nachos for the Super Bowl party. Go Chiefs. Put my money on the Chiefs. Let's go. Y'all have a good one.
Bye.